All right, so the fight continues with these animals in my yard. Like I said earlier, the squirrels, they're just going through the fruit tree, just having a ball. And so far, nothing I've done can stop them. It's like they're undefeated right now. If you all have any ideas what to do with RoboCop-like squirrels, put the comments below, because I can't keep doing this. Every year, my trees get hundreds of peaches, hundreds of pears, hundreds of apricots, hundreds of cherries, plums, and every year they get me. Got these new bags. I'm gonna try them out. I was covering these trees, covering my fruit with these organza bags, and I saw a video where a guy used paper bags, and I assumed they were this type of bag. Definitely gonna use these when it comes time for the pomegranate, because they hide all existence of fruit, so birds, squirrels can't see. I'm assuming this is for bigger fruit. All right, so there's the bag, and then I think it goes like this, and the wire goes around. Okay, what are we looking at right here? We're looking at determination. Look at all this on my bags. No cherries. These animals are determined. They sat up here and untied these bags and got every last cherry on this tree. Next year I'm going to have to come up with a better method than that. That's wild. I've never seen anything like that in my life. I'm out here today to do a little blocking and prevention. This is what my Ayers pears look like. They're coming along pretty good. The only pest that'll bother them is a little bit of bug damage. But the squirrels, the most important, they're not after the pears, but they did demolish my cherries, and now they're coming after the peaches. I had about 40 or 50 peaches on here, but they got pretty much most of them. The organza bags, no. These bags did not stop squirrels. So while I'm out here, I got some clay, some kaolin clay. This is for bugs. I'm just gonna see if I can save a few of these so we can eat them. But the other reason why I have you out here, because I got this right here. This came in the mail yesterday. It's worth a shot. Ooh, wow. No, definitely don't want to get none of this on me. Predator urine. I thought it was wolf, but this is fox. Here we go right here. I was looking at this. The scent is 200 square feet. So what I was going to do is also do a perimeter around my fruit trees. Squirrels have been going after the berries, so I want to do a perimeter on the berry trees. 200 square feet. See if this keeps squirrels away. Oof. Wow, this keeps me away. Wow. Yeah, this don't keep squirrels away. I don't know what will. These are taking them. See, look. There's a squirrel right there. These trees have taken a big hit. So not only do I have a perimeter, but I'm coating these two to make them untasty. The good thing about this wolf urine is you can apply it once a week, or after a heavy rain you can reapply it, but it's good for that long. I'm out here looking at a lot of destruction. What I mean by destruction is, you can see on the ground, I got paper bags, I got organza bags littered about. At first I thought it was the weather, the rain, knocking them off, the wind blowing them away, but I did see some squirrels running away with some of the rewards. And this is what a lot of the peaches look like. Picked clean, the outer shell. The peaches are nowhere near being done, but the squirrels are very hungry or very thirsty. Not sure which one it is. I'll be lucky if I get any peaches this year. Pretty much, I had hundreds of peaches on all the branches. Now I have a handful left. Squirrels won this year. They won. I'm gonna have to come up with a better method. I've used bird netting and they still got in to knock them off. I've used the paper bag method. They chewed the limbs, I guess, knocked them on the ground and then had their way. I use the organza bags. As you can see, look, same thing. Perfectly good peach. I've used the plastic, I guess these are lunch trays, or they hold salads and small snacks. They've knocked that off the limb. I've used insect netting. They gnawed through that. They knocked them down. There's a peach right there. I use fox urine, and I think they just laughed at that because they know foxes aren't in the area. I need to come up with another method. I think I have an idea. I am going to try one thing that I've never done before. I'm going to try to trap them. Got this right here. A squirrelinator. I actually have 2 of them, and I'm going to try to trap a squirrel. I heard they love this junk right here, so I'm going to layer this all in the trap. I've heard wonderful things about the Squirrelinator. No, I'm not advertising for them. I'm not sponsored by them, but just a little research, watching videos and seeing what they catch. There's so many squirrels on this property running along the fence line. You could probably see some behind me now. They come all the way up to the patio to steal whatever's on the patio. I had raspberry, and they came and they got that. They're just a menace. Yeah, they're cute to look at. They're funny, but they're very harmful to a garden. So no, I don't want to hurt the squirrels. I am going to relocate them. I found a nice little park that I want to take them to. Just in reading, squirrels can eat like 1.33, I believe it's grams or ounces of food a day. So that's a lot of food. But yeah, so in my area, the DMV area, you have to apply for, my neighborhood, you have to get a permit to trap squirrels. It's an online document, an online permit that you can carry with you. I just have it on my phone. I took a picture of it and I just walk around. But the permit is good for 60 days. And of course it was free, which I like. I spoke to the young lady on the phone, asked, is it legal to relocate squirrels? And she said yes, as long as it's a natural park or reserve, something like that for animals. Last night I thought of a place that I haven't been in a while. I'm gonna drop them off there. All right, got the Squirrelinator out. One is set already. This is number 2. Unlock the sunroof. Make sure you lock it back. The sides. I'm gonna keep these both in the backyard for now. Once I catch a few, then I'm gonna move it to the front, because I am starting to get some squirrel activity near the pear tree. They're starting to go after the pears now. I found a nice area for relocation. It's a park. I know you're supposed to do 12 miles up the street. This one's about 6, 7. If they can get through all the traffic and cross the roads, they deserve to come back. Road trip. Yeah. Road trip, baby. Woo woo. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. All right. Road trip. Hey, little dude. Ready to go to your new home? Woo woo. Calm down. Calm down. The prisoner's agitated. All right. Let's take a look at your new home. Nice. I know. Your friends will be joining you soon. Go. Freedom. Freedom. Your friends will be joining you soon. Prisoner drop off. What's up, homeboy? Yeah, I hope you got some hands, because your boy might not be here. This is a new neighborhood. Relocation program has been successful. Calm down. Your boy out here, man. Y'all can hook up if you don't catch him. All right, you safe. Go, go, go. Your boy went that way. All right. What we got here today? We got 2 prisoners. What's up, fellas? Yeah, it's time to go for a ride. Relocation program. Yeah. Can't get out of here, man. It's metal. Calm down. Oh, I'm gonna get you next. These squirrels are extra hungry because they're really coming after these traps, or coming after the trees. Watch your head, sir. All right, see you in a few. All right. Calm down, dude. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you. We have to drop off. All right, be free. Your turn. Come on. Come on, dude. I got stuff to do. There you go. Catch up to your buddy. Another successful drop off. More to go. Caught another thief. What's up, buddy? Stop all that struggling. No need. Calm down. Calm down before you hurt yourself. Gotta go. Okay, watch your head. Prisoner transport in effect. Stay tuned. Showing you an idea, well, not the idea, but showing you where I'm dropping these animals off. This is a lake, plenty of water for them, plenty of trees. They should be okay. Ain't that right, dude? All right, prisoner, calm down. Hey, this what happens when you in my yard. You get freedom, homeboy. Freedom. Go. Get out of here. Wrong way. Come on. There you go. And off he goes. All right, peace out. Look like it's about to rain, but I saw this dude come out here. Got another thief. What's up, buddy? Don't panic now. Oh, let me out, sir. Yeah, calm down. All right, so this is the second one for today. I'm doing about 1 or 2 a day. I saw 3 more in the yard. I'm gonna hurry up and get this one up the street to meet his buddies before it gets dark. Yeah, calm down. Freedom. Figure it out, homeboy. This one ain't that smart. There you go. Get out of here. I had a total of 5 groundhogs on my property since 2020, and for the first year or so, I didn't bother the groundhog because it was eating grass, clovers, or whatever else groundhogs eat. I didn't start going after the groundhogs until I started seeing a lot of my watermelon, a lot of my cucumbers, a lot of my squash plants. They eat the leaves, and they decimated one year where I didn't have anything. I caught my last groundhog last week. Today, when I walked around front to go into the garage to get some things, I saw a groundhog near the garage, roughly about this big. And I said, another one? These things are like, they multiply like crazy. I mean, that's 5 already, so this makes 6. My neighbor had 2, so that's 7. And this thing ran under the fence to his yard, so that's 8. It's 8 groundhogs in 3 years. I thought I was done after this last one because I was counting them, but apparently I'm not done. There's more groundhogs. I got comfortable. I had my sweet potato that's in a bucket. I put it on the ground because they would go through all the leaves in one day. I picked that back up and put it in a high place. I went through, got all my watermelon that were in buckets and everything. I elevated them up high. I moved around some beans. I just fell asleep because I thought I had the last one. I got to think like this. There's always one waiting around the corner. So if I keep that mentality, I'm just going to keep traps. So what I did is I put a trap in the front yard against the fence line where I saw him duck under. I got some melons in there. Hopefully I can get them today. In case I have more, I put some by the shed, which seems to have a lot of groundhog activity. So I put a trap over there with some nice little sweet melons, a little bit of cabbage. So I think after this, I'm gonna get some game cameras and just put them around the property and just try to stay alert and just always keep in mind there's something watching your food. It's not just humans. There's always something watching your food. So stay frosty, everyone. See you in the next one. Go peace.